Screw. Loosen it. Screw this here. Once tightened, do the same on this side. Let's talk about the issue with this switch. As for the switch, there's a screw on this post. Remove the screw. Then you can open the switch cover. You can open the cover of this switch. Then you can take it off. There are screws right here. Just remove it and fasten it back. That's all. You don't need to tighten every screw. Just secure the top part. This is a pull-out faceplate. Adjust dough sheet thickness with the knob. Install the dough cutter by pushing it upward into place. Run the machine forward. Reverse the machine to remove the dough cutter. Put mixed dough crumbs into the machine's hopper. Push the crumbs into the rolling rollers. You can get different dough thicknesses as needed. Run the machine forward. The dough sheet feeds into the rolling rollers. Insert the noodle cutter to press out the noodles you need. Different styles of noodle cutters produce noodles of different shapes. After placing the cutter into the machine with the blade facing up, the machine rotates forward. The gears inside the machine will get jammed. You will not be able to take the noodle cutter out. Right. Reverse the machine. The blade has already popped out on its own.